Yo, what up everybody? BVF Collection back at it again with another unwrapping. Here we are, another one. Thought the last one was gonna be the last, everything, but we got a lot of stuff still coming. I don't think I'll ever stop. So without further ado, let's open up the steal of a deal right here. This Bad Vibes Forever tricolor beanie. All right, enough chit chat. Let's get it. That didn't work. No, it still didn't work. Okay, here we go. Okay, anyway. Man, doing this one hand sucks. Right. There we go. There we go. Right here. You know what? That's it. Okay, yeah. I just wasted a whole minute trying to unbox this. I did it. I made an entry. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. I already got one of these, but we got another one coming in hot. First steal. Boom. The Bad Vibes Forever tricolor hoodie. Not hoodie. My bad. Beanie. Yeah. Just got some lint over it. Not used though, as you can tell by the size. No, it's not stretched very badly or anything. Not much to it. Got some lint on it. I told the chick that was selling it to me, just go ahead and leave it there. I'll take care of it. Anyways, we got this. You already know. Sick embroidery. Now I got two of them. The other one, keep that one on ice. And this one I can use as a beater. You gotta check out that tag on the inside real quick. Dang. The Bad Tag 2019. Then here's the other side. 100% acrylic. Made in Korea. Anyways. And then here's the blank of the actual beanie itself. They should have removed this. At least it's both made in Korea. It's pretty cool though. I wonder if it was North Korea. No, imagine though. There's no way. It's cool though. This makes me like, whoa, this is from South Korea. You know what I mean? But yeah, not much to it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this footage. Stay awesome. Stay amazing, people. BVF Collection signing out. Ooh.